Nick, what do you look for in a quality daffodil?
We want to make new daffodils with good colors. We look at you, not look down. And all important by these colors is they sunproof. Sometimes with colors just like this, oh, this is no better. With a lot of sun, they burn. And we want colors that they stay good in the sun and look at you, so the people in the garden of pottery have a long time a beautiful product in the garden or in house. And I got here one. This is a variety we got many years. Many years ago we started. The name is Kira Maria, and it's a variety. You see, it started yellow, a little bit pink, and the ends good pink. So this is a short daffodil from a bulb, 1 or 2 flowers, and it's short. So if you can enforce this, is from the first week of January, people can stand it in the house, just like so small they started, and after 2-3 weeks you have this beautiful product in the house. And that we want, and from the growers of the producers of the pottery, from half January till this time, Easter mostly, then they can deliver this to people first in the house, and if this time is nice weather, you can put it in the garden, so you have a long nice time.
Because looking around at your daffodils, you're looking for shorter stems.
For short, yeah, for short.
For those pots.
Yeah, for the officially we take this for the color, but officially I say it's too high. It's too high in January, February. It's dark in the house. It's grown too up and fell down. And if you take short ones, it's better, resistant to stay longer in the house.
Mm-hmm. Now, how long have you been growing daffodils?
For maybe 40 years. When I was a young boy, I started with my father, and I have now a company with my brother. We have daffodils, tulips, and dahlias, about 50 hectares together, and we specialized in new varieties of daffodils. First years when we started, we wanted for flower cutting, but with the flower cutting daffodils is difficult, and then we come into these varieties. This is special, yeah, we say sometimes against the wind, Cyclamineus, and we take the breeding from other breeder, old men stop with it, we take it over and we make extra by ourselves. And then we see, like, this is better, and for people it's so nice to have it in the garden or house.
So what do you think of tête-à-tête?
Tête-à-tête is past.
It's past, yeah. But that's a popular variety, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah, but tête-à-tête, many years tête-à-tête was good producing. They started for all indoor forcing, but now we got better one, a new one. And tête-à-tête, maybe about 30 years, everybody produce. The quality is down. It's over. I say it's over.
Yeah. Because actually it takes something like 25 years to get a commercial bulb into production, doesn't it? We could be looking at your pension fund here, couldn't we?
Yeah. Now it's for my daughters.
For your daughters, yes, yeah. So you will select these plants, and you will lift these bulbs by hand, the ones that you've selected.
Yeah, by hand.
Mm-hmm. And then you have a crop rotation on this field, don't you? So
once there's now daffodils on the field, and next year's come hyacinth, and then dahlias, and then with tulips, and then with daffodils. So we once in the 4 or 5 years we come back on the field. So it's all for diseases. It's better for rotation.
Yeah.
And also we select now on the new selection. So we are a lot of testing now with so much less as possible with chemicals. Is also the buyers of the bulbs of flowers as chemicals now, and we say we got now selection. We spray a lot with fertilizer, seaweed, and we select. And normally the most problem in daffodils is what's yours, Helmis? Basil. And so if we find a new one and we got basil, we throw away.
Yeah.
Natural selection is the best way.
Yeah.
And we got enough, so you see, so it's easy to throw away. And we must be there's also never basil in it. Fire is no problem. Now we got testing this with no chemicals. Super.
Yeah.
Super. So
Fantastic.
that's
Thank
the
you.
future.
Yeah, that's the future. Thank you very much.
Okay.
For showing us your daffodil field. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.